Pranam students. Yesterday I taught you how to rounding of number up to 1000. Okay, I thought it is very clear you have how to rounding off. Okay, now after that I will started chapter operation of large number. You done addition, you done subtraction. Now today we start the third operation of large number. It is a multiplication of large numbers. What? Multiplication of large numbers. Okay, as we know, multiplication is the short way to do repeat addition. Well, multiplication is a short way to do repeated addition. The number by which any number is multiplied is known as multiplier. What? The number by which any number is multiplied is known as a multiplier, and the number which is to be multiplied is known as a multiplicand. Okay, the result of the multiplication is known as a product. The result of the multiplication is known as a product. Let's see one example. Okay, let's see one example. We have to multiply 754 multiply by 8. Okay, 754 we have to multiply by 8. So that means the place value is 100, tens and ones. Okay, this three digit will be 3 digit multiply by 1 digit, 3 digit multiply by 1 digit. Okay, what is this? Is called multiplicand. Okay, what we have to multiply the number which is the number by which any number is multiplied. 8 is multiplied by 754. That means 754 is called multiplicand. 754 is called multiplicand. Okay, and 8 is called multiplier. 8 is called multiplier. What? 8 is called multiplier. 8 is called multiplier. Okay, when we will multiply both, the answer will be 8 4s are 32, 3 is carry, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3 43, 4 is carry, 8 5s are 56, 56 and 4 60. Okay, the answer will be 6032. What is this? This is product. What is this? This is product. It is clear, everyone? Okay, I thought it is clear. That 754 is a multiplicand and 8 is multiplier and 6032 is a product. Everyone, that means what? The number by which any number is multiplied is known as multiplier. 754 is multiplied by 8, that is called multiplicand. Okay, sorry, multiplier. Okay, 754 is multiplied by 8. It is called multiplicand, and 8 is called that 8 will be multiplied is called the 8 will be multiplied to 754, that is called multiplier. The product of both number is called product. Clear it is? Okay, now some property we will tell you how to. There is some property of maths also. See what is the property. If we will multiply multiplied by 7 multiplied by 0, that means if we will multiply by any number by 0, answer is always 0. What? Answer will always 0. Okay. If we will multiply by 20 multiply by 0, that is always answer 0. And 175 multiply by 1, what will the answer? The number itself will become. Always number itself will become. If we will multiply by any number by 0, the answer will be 0. And if any number multiply by 1, is number itself. Remember this thing. This is very important. Now today in earlier class, in last class, that means in the class 3rd, you know how to multiply 2 digit, 3 digit by 1 digit. Now we start multiply 3 digit by 2 digit. Okay. In this class 4th, we start the new concept, multiply 3 digit number by 2 digit number. How we multiply? Let's see one example. Okay. 736 multiplied by 42. Okay, this is the 3 digit number. 736 multiplied by 42. This is 3 digit and this is 2 digit. 3 digit multiplied by 2 digit. First you arrange this number into column. Okay, this is STO, 3 digit number. That means STO we will use 336 multiply 42. Are you know how to write it? Column method. Okay. Let's see. First we will take a ones place number. Always we will take a ones place number and we will start from ones place number. We will start from ones place number. In 42 the ones place number is 2. Okay. In 736 the ones place number is 6. So 6 2 ja 12. 2 is here. Ones place number we will write here and tens place we will take a carry. 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7. 2 7 ja 14. It is clear how to do the multiply by ones number. Okay. After we will start the 10 multiply by tens number, we put take one cross under the ones place number. We will put a cross under the ones place number. Clear? And then we will start writing from the tens place number. Clear everyone? 6 4 ja 24. 6 4 ja 24. 4 is here and 2 is carry. 4 3 ja 12. 4 3 ja 12. 13 14. 14 means 1 4 here 1 carry. 4 7 ja 28. 28 plus 1 29. It is clear everyone? This is very important. When we will start multiply by tens, we always put cross under the ones place. Then after what we have to do? We have to do addition. Addition of these number and this number. 2 cross 2. 7 plus 4 11. 1 carry. 4 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 10 and 2 plus 1 3. Your answer is 30,912. See what is the multiplicand here? 736 is multiplicand. What is the multiplier here? 42 is a multiplier. And what is the product here? Product is 30,912. What is product? Product is this one is a product and this is answer. Clear everyone? I think it is very clear how to do the multiply by 3 digit by 2 digit. I will give you 5 questions only. You have to do it and send the work for the correction. Send back your work for the correction. Some student having a problem, please don't give any comments unnecessarily. If you have any query, I tell this thing again and again. If you have any query, any problem, any confusion, please tell me what you have, what is not cleared up to operation of the large numbers. I will solve it, okay? And do these questions in any notebook. It is not a homework, it is not a classwork. Do this work of any notebook and send back for the correction. Okay, thank you.